Oh no, I breathed in some toxins. Oh, I've been exposed to this in the air, chemtrail, 5G. Do I drink Conga water, alkaline water, distilled water, spring water, tap water? I'm not trying to call anyone out. All of these things are things to consider, but at some point we can cross that line into obsession. I'm here outside in my gorgeous Tanzanian garden. I'm Opare from Food for the Soul, and here on this channel I share tips and tools you can use to help create a healthy diet and lifestyle that you can actually stick to, that you actually want to stick to. If that sounds like something you're interested in, be sure to click the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the notification so you'll find out every time I upload a video. We all want to be healthy. Sometimes though, that journey towards finding our health and wellness to becoming whole and healthy can turn into an obsession. Today, let's talk about how to find joy and happiness and health in our wellness journey. We all want to be healthy, and yet there are various different approaches to it. There's the people who are looking outside of themselves for the solution, who are looking for the magic pill, the magic potion, the magic something or other that they can take, or the right exercise program that will allow them to be fit and healthy and thin and avoid the diseases that many people face. We got squirrels in the trees over here. And many of those people, they really do want to be healthy, and yet they're ignoring some of the most important parts of being healthy, of the wellness journey. The things that are not about what's outside that we can bring into ourselves, but the things that we need to do, the things that we need to change, the things that we can take control of the way we're living our lives that will, instead of fixing a problem, avoid a problem. I see it as two different ways that people tend to approach this wellness obsession. One is they want to continue eating the way they're eating, living the lifestyle that they're living that is currently not serving them, that is not creating wellness in their lives. And they want to look at what they can bring into their lives through supplements or pills or some kind of magic quick fix that will help them get to their wellness goals. And they get obsessed on these external things that they can bring into their lives that will make a difference. And then there are those who are looking for a more natural approach and yet can still be equally as obsessed with whether they're doing the right kind of fast or whether they're juicing enough times or whether their foods are organic enough. And it can be a very similar type of thing where we get so obsessed on the minutia that we drive ourselves crazy, that we end up spending a lot of money, or we end up spending a lot of time doing things that aren't necessarily in our best interests in the long run. In my mind, wellness is to be whole, is to be able to be healthy in all aspects of my life, mentally, spiritually, physically. It encompasses the words that I'm speaking, the thoughts that I'm having, and the actions that I'm taking. So it's not just about my body itself, but how I engage in the world, what I'm doing in the world, whether I'm on my purpose or not. And to me, this is what is wellness. It's a whole thing. It's the whole me. Am I able to be fully me? Am I able to bring my gifts out into the world? Am I able to enjoy myself? Because if I am so obsessed on all these things and I can't have joy in my life, I can't have peace in my life, then I'm not sure that it's worth it. Because our whole selves need nurturing. And here are some of the things that I find have helped me in nourishing myself, in healing myself, and becoming the whole and healthy person that I am now. These are what I call my wellness survival skills, the things that I try to do every day or on a regular basis in order to be my healthy best, my whole and healthy best. And when we can do these things and do these in a balanced way, we can take our power back. We don't have to be constantly worrying about what's going to happen down the road. We can know that we're taking the very best care of ourselves as we can, and we have so many things working in our favor. And we don't get distracted by the next new thing, this newest supplement or this newest research that comes out. And it makes it easier because, there's so many different conflicting things out there. There's experts talking about how really the only way to eat is low carb, high carb, low fat, high fat. So it can be really, really confusing. So let's avoid the wellness obsession. Let's find a balanced, easy to follow, nurturing, loving way of bringing wellness into our lives, of loving ourselves to wellness through the way that we eat, through the way that we move our bodies, through the activities that we do, in the way that we interact with the world, with the information that we're consuming, with the people that we have in our lives, the environment that we live in. What are the ways that we can really, really help to create a whole and healthy self so that we can enjoy our lives? How do you find balance in your whole and healthy lifestyle? What brings you joy? How do you bring joy into your life? How do you bring joy into your exercise? What do you do that makes you feel good? I walk out here every day. I do laps and I get to enjoy seeing the beautiful growth of my garden, the birds, the butterflies that I see almost every day. Being out here brings me joy. I feel spirit around me, the ancestors around me, the divine around me every time I'm out here in nature. That brings me joy, and I'm getting exercise. The food that I eat brings me joy because it's delicious, and I know that it's good for me. I don't have to give up good flavor and good food and being satisfied in order to be healthy. I find joy in the things that I'm learning, like going to Swahili class and learning about the culture here, learning about what can grow here, and those things help keep my brain healthy, keep me excited about life, keep me growing, and that helps me to be healthy. I do my best to be around people that are nurturing to me, that I enjoy being around, that help me to become my best self, and that allow me to use my gifts in order to help them as well. And that helps me to be healthy. Having a supportive community of people who understand me and to be feeling confident and comfortable being exactly who I am. That's part of my whole and healthy journey. And the work that I do is part of my healthy journey too, my whole and healthy journey. Doing work that I know is important, helping people become healthy, helping build and heal our diaspora community here, helping my community members here in ways that I can, sharing the things that I've learned. And this is also part of my whole and healthy journey. The words that I speak to the people around me, the words that I speak to you, the words that I speak to my family, the foods that I enjoy eating, the healthy, delicious fruits and veggies, which I love. I'm happy to eat fruit every single day, along with some delicious vegetables, along with some beans and rice, and with lovely spices and herbs, and I love every minute of it. I'm happy to be able to come outside in nature and exercise, to go to yoga class and be around friends and in a lovely, nurturing and encouraging environment. And I'm happy to have created boundaries to say, no, I'm not going to do that. That's not right for me. No, I can't do that. My time is full. Or no, I don't have room on my calendar for any more projects. Or no, I'm not moving back to the United States. I can't live there anymore. So having some good boundaries about what's right for me, these are some of the things that I've been doing to be as healthy as I can and to keep moving forward on that path. It's a lifelong journey. I don't plan to stop. I'm 66 now, and I plan to keep doing things like this for the rest of my life. What do you have in your life that is helping you on your whole and healthy journey. And now it's time to put this into action. What I suggest that you do is get out some paper or your journal and make a list of the things that you include in your healthy lifestyle routine. Maybe you meditate, maybe you pray, maybe you exercise regularly. Whatever it is that you do, write it all down and then rate each one on a scale from 1 to 10 as to how much it feels like maybe you're sliding into obsession. 0 means no obsession. 10 means I'm pretty obsessed about it. I feel really bad. Whatever it is, however you describe obsession, rate each one on whether or not it's an obsession or whether you have a healthy relationship with this activity. And then rate each one on a scale of 1 to 10 of joy, how much joy it brings you, how much joy you find in doing these things. 1 is no joy, 10 is it brings me a lot of joy. Then lastly, after you've rated them on the obsession and joy scale, contemplate what you can do to bring things more in balance. We're looking for a healthy, joyful wellness practice, not an obsession. Be sure to write it down. Don't just do it in your head. You need to actually write it down. And don't feel bad about yourself. There's no shame in this. This is all part of our learning and growth experience. This is all part of what it takes to create that healthy diet and lifestyle that you actually want to stick to for the long haul. Take the Essential Wellness Quiz and find out where you are on your wellness journey and what to focus on to design a healthy diet and lifestyle you can actually stick to. Go to foodforthesoul.me/quiz. So that's it for today from my beautiful Tanzania garden. I hope that you find joy and not obsession in your whole and healthy journey. If you like this video, don't forget to click the like button and share this video with those who you think could use this information. Until next time, goodbye, kwaheri.